It's winter's last stand. Temperature is going to be below average for Tuesday and Wednesday, including freezes inland over the Wednesday and Thursday time periods. And that means the beginning of the growing season later this week. Tired of water in your basement or crawl space? Trust Finally Dry Waterproofing's family owned company to fix it right. They install permanent drainage solutions guaranteed for 2 ownerships with no year limit. Get your free inspection today at www.finallydrywaterproofing.net or call 856-491-2228. Hey everyone, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. Let's start with the moon, not Earth. We have Artemis 2 that took this photo on the near side of the moon Monday here. Now, Artemis 2 broke the record for the longest distance humans have traveled from Earth as it went to the far side of the moon on Monday here. Incredible stuff. I've been following it over the past week. Hopefully you have too. Here's a look at our forecast precipitation through Thursday. Nothing for all of New Jersey. We are dry not only for the next 48 to 72 hours, but really through the beginning of next week as well. Now, it will be cool for Tuesday and Wednesday also. This is a look at temperatures about 5,000 feet high. And you see those cold temperatures there, those blues and those purples. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Chilly temperatures over the next couple of days. We do have a freeze warning here as we likely have the beginning of the growing season starting sometime later this week. We shouldn't have any more freezes, at least widespread freezes, after either Wednesday morning or possibly even Thursday morning. Here's a look at our Tuesday forecast. High temperatures 52, 55 degrees all across the area. Good amount of sunshine. We do have the potential for wildfires today. The one thing that's saving us is that our ground isn't all that dry. We had that rain on Sunday. So while we have low humidity and we have a little bit of a gusty wind, without the dry ground, our fire threat's more of a moderate than a high. So thank goodness for rain. And we say this, we need about a ½ inch of rain every couple of days to keep our ground wet enough so that we don't see widespread wildfires. We have the Blue Claws home opener tonight. I'll be there. Hopefully you'll be there too. Temperature's chilly, but at least it's a dry one out there. Get some hot chocolate, wear a jacket. I think you'll be fine. We go into Tuesday night. Here comes those freezes inland. Freehold at 29, Buena at 28. You go to the beach towns, most of them are above 32, although Long Branch sitting right there at the freezing mark. For Wednesday, we do have a good amount of sunshine again, wall-to-wall sunshine across the area. Highs, though, are chilly. We're only in the 40s pretty much everywhere. That's about 10 degrees below average for this time of the year and probably our coldest day until sometime in November. Now, what goes down must go up during the spring, and that includes our temperatures. Next week, we have a Bermuda high pressure setting up. During the summer, that means hazy, hot, and humid. During April, that just means warm and bright and, just a smidge of humidity, but nothing you can't handle. It will be beautiful next week. We do have to watch for that wildfire concern, though. If we take a look at our next 7 days, plenty of dry weather to go around. Just a weak shower chance on Saturday. That is it. Temperatures staying cool through Thursday. Then we get seasonable Friday and then pretty much warm Saturday and Monday with one seasonable day in between. Overall, looking like a really nice stretch. The weekend, I think, is at least 95% dry. Temperatures pretty comfortable for the middle of April, so a good stretch to get out there and enjoy.